Hello everyone, in this episode I'm going to show you the top 5 Scratch Halloween games in October. So firstly we have Whip, a Halloween adventure by Jay Conway 1. So as you can see here, you can see Start, WASD, E and Space. So when you press Space you can start to play. And here you can press E and you can see all of these amazing effects. And you can see even words coming out from it. Now, if you keep on reading, you can even play them and move with the WASD key. Now, in this game, your mission is to collect 3 eyes of newts to complete our ceremony. So, now, quickly ask around, maybe someone has a spare. Oh, and take this with you. It will bring you here if you use it. Check the description in the inventory. You can use it with S. If you get other useful items, you can quick select between them with space. There we go. Now if you click E, you can see here, it's my coin. It's missing some vital ingredients, so we have to collect the newts. So if you come here, see we can climb up the ladder, which is quite cool. And now if you can see, this is the inventory. There we go. So now let's go find 3 newts. The good thing about this game is that you can see the characters moving. You can see the animation with the character. You even can climb ladders. Now, we've made this guy. Yo. Okay, so that guy just says yo. This game is the Web Hunt made by Apple Pie Slash. So as you can see here, firstly we have this cool Apple intro. Next you can see this animation happening, which said Web Hunt. Okay, now you can see this cool front menu page. Then we have the play, help, and options. So if you click on the play, you can start playing and you can see this web animating. Now there will be a countdown too, which is the timer. Now you can see here, the goal of this game is for the spider to catch all of the fireflies. And once you catch each firefly, your score will quite increase. If you can see here, my score is increasing to 6, which means I've collected 6 fireflies. Now we've increased to 10. Now as you can see, you can see ghosts appearing, and if you touch that ghost, you will die. And there will be a cool death animation for the spider. So let's say if we touch the ghost, you can see this effect. And it will show game over, and you've caught how many fireflies. And since this is my first time playing it, it will show that you have a new high score. Now you can return back. Okay, now for the help here, it will show how to get what you should get and what you shouldn't, and how to move the spider. You should drag this dot here. And this option is the music and the effects, and you can change the volume with a slider thing too. Okay, so third on the list, we have the Pumpkin Run, made by CGBB. So as you can see here, we have the cool animation of this pumpkin, and you can even change it to a ghost or a zombie. Now let's click play. And so, if you want to start, you should press play. And you can control it with your mouse or the arrow key. Now, the goal for it to win is to move it to the floor. If you drop it in the lava, then you surely lose. You could also collect chests on your way, which increases your score, and candies too. Sometimes it can even go even faster. Like, if you can see, my score is 100 and something right now, and so since 100 and something, it's going quite fast. Now it's 300, as I've collected a chest, and I'm still going through it. Ooh, now it's 400. Oh, and when you die, you can see this two thing, which is the light, faith, and star. There we go. And now you can see this replay button and the home. If you click on replay, they will show this screen. If you click the home button, then you can come back here and change your skins. You can even change the volume and show the instructions. And this down here is 778, which is the high score of other several people. Okay, it's our spooky scary spot made by Agent Quartz. So when you start, you can see this cool animation of Agent Quartz profile. Now the goal for this game is to collect as many pumpkins as you can, and when you collect pumpkins, you'll increase your score. But it isn't that simple. You can see this ghost coming out too, and to kill them, you can click on space to shoot out these lasers. As you do that, try to collect as much pumpkin as you can. And once you click shoot, you see this recharging bar. This is so that it recharges. And when you die, you can see the cool animation snap. So the goal of this game is just to collect as much pumpkins as you can and try not to die. So you can also shoot them. Okay. This is quite a cool game and I like it quite much. Now, the last game on our list is the Daredevil, which I kind of find it quite fun. It's made by Hornet 15. So, firstly, once you can see this cool animation here, these people's here, and this Daredevil words. I think it took him quite a lot of time to create. And you can see this play button will have the animation too. So, once you click play, you immediately show this. And your goal is to shoot them. You can move by using the WASD key. Okay. And these are your bullets. And this is how many people you have killed in your goal to kill. Our goal for this one is just 10. And I've already killed them. Now as you can see, now the bullets I have 0. So when you press E, you actually get to reload them. And if you only have 6 lives up here. If you hit it to 0, then you lose. There we go, I've made 10 of them. Now you can see this cool spooky animation here. And once you're done, click on done. Okay, now we go on to floor number 2. Okay, so once I've done that, you can see it showed just now. Floor 2 clear. Now I'm going on the 3rd floor. As you can see, now my goal is 12 people, and it will keep increasing and increasing. I've got 6 of them already. Okay, last one and done. I am complete. Level 3. Okay, so if you can see over here, you can see choose an upgrade to continue. And we have the health, which increase your life. Now I have 2 out of 6 life. This is the bullet, which is the annihilation. Now I have 5. When you press E, when you reload your gun, you increase to 6 instead of 5. Or you can choose the shield, which protect you from other zombie creatures. So I'm gonna choose the gun right now. And now you see I start with 6 out of 6. So for level 3 has something more amazing. You can see these mummies that shoot out laser beams. And if you don't dodge them, you die. Which is a bit hard to tackle right now as I'm on 1 life. And if you can see down here, it shows the XP gain, which if you gain a lot of XP without decreasing so much, then you increase your levels and you can get to buy more things. Okay, sadly, I guess this is it, but we will end this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.